Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can make a free landing page for affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what a landing page is for affiliate marketing is basically where you can get custom links, and if people buy through your links, then you get a bit of commission for that. So the way it typically works is, say you have a blog or YouTube channel about a certain subject, you would then get a product within that subject, and then you can direct your audience to your landing page where they can then view all the affiliate deals that you have to offer. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you how you can set up your landing page right now. So to start with, you just want to come on this website called Mixo.io. Take a second to pause the video if you need, and just come over to this URL, make sure you type it correctly, and then in the top right corner, you can go ahead and make yourself an account. So once you've got your account made and you're on this page, what you want to do is just select New Site. And the cool thing about this is it's all done through AI, so you basically just type the site you need and it will create it for you. So I'm going to say make a free landing page for affiliate marketing. Now you can add some more details in here if you need to make it a bit more how you like it. However, I'm just going to click generate site just to see what it gives us. So as you can see, all these things it's going through now, it is doing for you. It's finding a logo, it's generating the code, it's doing all these things for you. And as you can see, this is a very professional looking landing page. So once we have this made, we can actually customize all these things. They aren't final. So this is a really good start. Considering AI has just made this is really good. So once we've done this and we're happy with the prompt and result it gave us, we want to go ahead and click save and continue. And from here, you'll be taken to the packages. So you do need a paid plan to be able to go through with this. However, the basic site is only $9 a month, which isn't much at all. And if you're having a lot of traffic come to this site and then using your links to buy stuff, you're going to be making a healthy profit on top of that. So you don't really have to worry about the small fee you have to pay every month. So you just want to go ahead and choose one of these packages, whichever one suits you best. And after that, you'll be taken to a Stripe checkout where you just fill in your details and then you begin your monthly subscription. And then you can go up here to sites and then you can see the site it just made. And from there, you can begin customizing it to get it exactly how you want. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you successfully managed to set up your landing page for your affiliate marketing. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.